Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start immediately. Press Win+I and confirm Windows is up to date and you're signed into a Microsoft account because Spotlight requires that connection. Once done, go to Personalization, Lock Screen, and select Windows Spotlight. While there, make sure the device has internet access and that Focus Assist or group policies aren't blocking images. If Spotlight is already selected, toggle to Picture then back to Spotlight to force a refresh. This quick step often kicks the service into action. Next, you'll repair core components. First, open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scano. That repairs system file corruption. After it completes, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. Once those finish, open PowerShell as admin and re-register the lock screen app packages or delete the Spotlight assets folder in %user profile %bic/app data /local/packages/my. After rebooting, go back to settings and set lock screen to Windows Spotlight again, then lock your PC to check for new images. Give it a few minutes. If nothing changes, create a new local or Microsoft user and test Spotlight there. This isolates profile corruption. Make sure region and time are correct, and check any group policy or MDM restrictions. One key troubleshooting tip. If Spotlight works on a new account, migrate your files and reset the original profile. Profile corruption is a common culprit, and this fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.